irregularities that marred the March 18th, 2023 governorship and House of Assembly elections. Ladies and gentlemen of the press, we are gathered here today as stakeholders of the National Rescue Movement to condemn the outcome and process leading to the outcome of the elections due to the glaring irregularities, malpractice, voter intimidation, molestation across the 23 local governments that marked the March 18th, 2023 governorship and House of Assembly elections in Rivers State. It is with heavy hearts that we address you today as we have witnessed the maiming and killing of voters in various parts of the state. The numbers are overwhelming. 3 killed in Obakri, 1 killed in Ahoda West, 3 killed in Elibrada, 1 killed in Abua, 1 killed in Wamuma LGA. In Abua Odua, a youth copper was shot during the exercise. This is unacceptable and a direct attack on our democracy. Days before the elections, PDP thugs and community leaders went around with town criers warning voters who are coming out to vote for other political parties aside the PDP not to come out. In Port Harcourt City, Ahoda East, Oyibo, Obiakpo, Degema, Eleme, Abu Audua, LGAs, voters were molested, flogged, and brutally injured for coming out to vote for other political parties aside the PDP. The violence against voters and other political party agents before and during the election is extremely overwhelming and enough to cancel the elections. The election was compromised by the Independent National Electoral Commission in connivance with the security agencies in favor of the PDP in Rivers State. We have evidence of serving commissioners, assembly members, local government chairmen, and councillors of Rivers State government leading talks dressed in police and military outfits, aided by security agencies to cut away ballot materials before results are declared. In Obiakpo LGA, the governor was seen moving from one polling unit around Rumibo, Wimpy, and Ledeprawa axis, aiding the snatching of ballot boxes with security agents and intimidating voters. The complicity of the security agencies was highly noticed across the state, where tear gas were fired at party agents who were carrying out their civic responsibility to ensure that results were announced at the polling units, during which beavers machines were destroyed and voters sustained various degrees of injuries. The government house security was also deployed to carry out this gruesome assault on our democracy. In various LGAs, INEC officials refused to upload results. We have evidence of INEC officials openly declaring that they would not upload the results. In some of the LGAs, such as Kana, Degema, etc., INEC delivered fake results and VBAS machines without SIM cards and power banks and incomplete ballot papers. Vote buying was recorded in all the 23 local governments of the state. The People's Democratic Party was audacious in their unlawful vote buying, even in the presence of security agencies. We have overwhelming evidence of this as serving commissioners in the PDP-led Rivers State government, PDP councillors, was caught on camera buying votes. We therefore declare as follows: we do not accept the outcome of the elections as it falls short of the minimum acceptable standard of a democratic election anywhere in the world. We have also lost faith in the electoral umpire to deliver free, fair, and credible elections, where the popular will of the people will decide the fate of our state, and therefore we declare a vote of no confidence on the Independent National Electoral Commission. 3, we'll call for an independent panel of inquiry to be set up to investigate the Independent National Electoral Commission and all its officers to weed out the bad eggs in the commission as a deliberate effort to sanitize our democracy, because it is only when the electoral umpire is rid of all forms of complicity and corrupt individuals the electoral process can be trustworthy again by Nigerians who suffered the greater loss for their stolen mandates. We call on the international community, civil society organizations, and all of us as democracy to join us in condemning this act of impunity and urge that the right thing be done. We also call on the security agencies to investigate the violence that marred the elections and bring the perpetrators to book. We remain resolute in our quest for a better River State, and we will continue to do all within the ambit of the law to ensure that the will of the people prevails. Thank you. NRM.
Rescue Nigeria.
NRM.
Rescue River State.
Rescue River State.
NRM.
Rescue Nigeria.
NRM.
Thank you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.